Hi, I'm Renee. We are going to be checking some more vital signs today on a horse. We're going to be checking for the capillary refill time, which checks for hydration. And then we're going to be doing a elasticity skin pinch test. And then we're going to go over sounds that you want to hear in the gut. So starting with the capillary refill time, you want to get the horse's mouth. And we want to open up his mouth. And you want to take your thumb and pinch, release, and make sure that it comes back to color. Good job, Andy. Right away. And then we want to check for the skin pinch test for hydration. You want to make sure his neck is straight and his head's not turned. And you're going to go about the middle of the neck. And you're going to take your fingers and you just pinch, pull out, and you release. And Andy's, you see how his skin went right back to position, which means Andy's not dehydrated, which is good. So that's the skin pinch. And then we're going to be doing his gut sounds. And you want to look for, to make sure you're getting the general sense of activity in his gut, which would be 2 sounds per minute. And you want to check the upper left and the lower left quadrants. You want to check all quadrants, and then you're going to do the upper right and the lower right. So you need your timer set at a minute, which we have here. And for your stethoscope, you want to make sure your earpieces are out. Put them on here. So I want to make sure I'm listening for the rumbles or gurgling. That would be sound you want to hear. Again, 2 sounds per minute. We had 1. There's 2. Okay. Now we're going to go to the left quadrant, the lower quadrant. One, 2. Andy's guts are working really well. I already heard 2. And typically we would do that for a minute. I'm going to go over to do his right. I'll reset the timer here. Upper right quadrant first. There's 1. There's 2. So far good on Andy's gut. Now we're going to do the lower right quadrant. There's 1. There's 2. Yeah. And Andy, I was able actually to hear in all 4 of his quadrants. I did hear the gurgling or rumbling sounds. All 4 were done. I heard 2 within 30 seconds, which is good. That's working nice. Now, you want to make sure when you're doing this that you don't hear a lot of sounds, or if you hear like whistling, but if you hear whistling or no sound, too much sound, or whistling would be when you want to call your veterinarian. So there are some more how you check your horse's vital signs.